welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and here in Simple or Not Kitchen, we take some of those online cooking videos and we put them to the test and let you know if they're simple to follow or not. And today we have a fun recipe. We're taking these old bananas and we're turning them into delicious banana pudding. Found this super easy recipe online on a website called Jen's Favorite Cookies, and the ingredient list is pretty basic. As well as a few overripe bananas, we're also going to need some egg yolks, some milk, cream, sugar, cornstarch, and salt. We're also going to need a dash of vanilla that we will add in at the end. And to start this basic recipe, we are simply going to add our milk and cream to a pan, and we're going to get it nice and hot, just below the boiling point. We're going to cook this over a medium heat, stirring it occasionally and making sure it does not burn. In the meantime, we're going to take our bananas and we are going to go ahead and mash them up. The recipe calls for 2 or 3 ripe bananas. I'm actually using 4, and I'm taking off the brown spots of these bananas. They've been sitting around my house for a few days, and it was just time to use them up. As they're so ripe, they are super soft, so mashing them is pretty easy and it goes pretty quickly. And we're just using a fork to do the mashing, but of course you could also use a food processor or a specialty masher if you have one. And by the time we're finished mashing these, our cream and milk mixture should be nice and warm. So we're going to take our bananas and we're just going to add them into the milk and cream mixture, and we're going to stir them up pretty good. And they should just slide right in there. If not, just use a spatula to push them in. And then we're just going to mix them up and get them nice and well incorporated with that cream. And we have 3 egg yolks that we're just going to scramble up just a little bit, and then we're going to add the sugar, cornstarch, and a little bit of salt. We're going to go ahead and mix that in pretty well. And then comes the tricky part. We're going to take a little bit of our hot cream mixture and we're going to mix it in with our egg yolks. This is just to temper the eggs, because we don't want them to scramble when we add them to the cream. We want a nice smooth consistency. So we're going to use a little bit of our hot milk and cream mixture, and we're going to stir it in with the eggs, and then we're going to take the rest of our egg mixture and slowly pour it in with the rest of our cream. And we're going to let the mixture heat up for just a few minutes. Then we're going to transfer it to a bowl, and this would be the time to add the vanilla as well. And then into the refrigerator our mixture will go. After just a few hours in the refrigerator, this is the result. And it's delicious if you top it with a little bit of whipped cream. This pudding is so easy to make and it's so rich and delicious. You're just going to love it. It's the perfect thing to do with leftover bananas that are starting to go bad, and it's a really nice alternative to banana bread. Thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more articles, recipes, and video, go online to canalcentral.com.
Good.